Another day, another story. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to introduce you to a new website, which is a great resource for downloading project source code for a wide range of programming languages, including C, C++, Python, and web development, among others. In this video, we'll show you how to use Cachipera to find and download project source code for your next programming project. Cachipera is a website that provides a platform for developers to share their project source code with others. The website features a wide range of project source code for various programming languages, including C, C++, Python, web development, and many more. You can browse the website by language or by project category to find the perfect code for your next project. You can access the website by simply visiting cachipera.com. Once you're on the website, you can use the search bar to look for project source code for a specific language or project category. The website features a massive collection of source code, and you're sure to find something that meets your needs. We highly recommend that you give Cachipera a try and see how it can help you with your next programming project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.